Dear students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start another video on the O-level physics. It is we're going to solve the paper 2 theory section of the October-November 2021. It is physics 5054 22. This paper contains the theory questions and it for the 1 hour and 45 minutes. Question number 1 is figure 1.1. This figure shows a jug of liquid and an empty measuring cylinder. This is measuring cylinder and this is the jug of liquid containing a liquid that is on an electronic balance. This is electronic balance. The electronic balance uses the weight of the measuring cylinder to determine its mass. Okay, weight and mass have different units. You know, weight is measured in newtons and mass is measured in kilogram. Question is, state two other ways in which weight differs from mass. There are many differences. Two of them can be we can write like that. The first can be that mass is a vector scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. So we can write that mass is scalar quantity mass is a scalar quantity whereas weight is vector. So weight is vector. So this can be the one difference between the mass and weight. Second difference can be that mass varies from mass stays same everywhere, whereas weight varies from place to place. So we can write that mass stays same, mass stays same everywhere. And weight varies from place to place with the gravitational field. Weight, if we have a body whose weight is a certain weight at surface of earth, then its weight at the altitude will be different. Also its weight on the moon will be different, but mass will stay the same. Weight varies or differs, varies from place to place. From place to place. So these are the two differences which are between. Also, you can write that mass is the quantity of matter, and weight is the force with which Earth attracts a body towards its center. So these are other two differences, but we have to mention two differences. So these are the two differences. If you can write it, you can get 2 full marks. Next is describe how to determine the density of liquid using the apparatus shown in figure 1.1. How to find the density of liquid. It is very easy because when you place an empty measuring cylinder on the weighing electronic balance, it will give you its mass of the empty measuring cylinder. Let this be M1. Okay, and when after some when you pour or fill it with the liquid, then of volume V, that V is the volume of the liquid, and then again you weigh on the electronic balance. Now its mass will be M2, total mass. It is the mass of the measuring cylinder plus liquid. It is, let it be M2. Now hence the weight mass of the liquid will be M2 minus M1. Let that be denoted by capital M is equal to M2 minus M1. Then you can use the formula for the density of any substance is equal to mass divided by volume. So when you divide mass by volume, you will get the density of the measuring density of the liquid. Okay, so that's the answer you have to write. Be the mass of the empty cylinder, and M2 is the mass of the cylinder with liquid. Then mass of the liquid will be, let it be M, and that should be equal to M2, where M2 is the mass of the measuring cylinder filled with liquid, and M1 was the mass of the empty cylinder. So this will give you the mass of the liquid. Volume is V. We know that we can find it by the measuring cylinder. Then we can find the density by this formula. Mass density is equal to mass divided by volume. So this will be, if you convert it, then if it is in kilogram, mass in kilogram, volume if it is in meters, then its unit will be kilogram per meter cube. So this is the formula you can use to find the density using whereas you can find the mass and volume using the apparatus shown in the figure. So question number C part is the density of liquid is given here, 780 kilogram per meter cube. This is density. Density we denoted by rho. Density is equal to 780 kilogram per meter cube. This is the density. Okay, and next is its volume also given. Determine the volume of the mass is given, sorry, and mass is given as 0.65 kilogram. This is given. So we have to find the volume from this formula. From this formula we can find that volume is equal to mass over density. So this will be equal to, volume will be equal to, mass is given as 0.65, and whereas density is given as 780. You divide it, the answer will be in meter cube, because this is in kilogram, density is kilogram per meter cube, and it's in kilogram cancels with kilogram, so we get meter cube. So when you divide it, the answer should be, so when you divide it with the help of calculator, the answer comes out to be 8.3 8.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 to write it in the scientific notation, and unit will be meter cube. So you can write here 8.3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter cube. This will be the volume of the liquid. So this is how you can find the volume if the mass and density is given using this formula. So that's end of this question. Hope you like it. If you have any query, you can ask me. In next video we will solve the next question. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that, and press the bell icon so that you can get all the videos notification of my channel, and our knowledge sharing process continues. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.